Good morning, grade 8s. Today is Monday, April the 27th, and today we are going to be looking at percents of a number. Now, you should remember that the last time we talked about something that was of a number, the word of meant something in math. What does it mean? Well, it means multiplication. Okay, so we're going to be doing some multiplication today, and that is how we're going to be finding the percents of a number. I'm just going to flip the screen and we'll continue. Okay, so here we are looking at percents of a number. So you'll remember when we were doing our unit on division that we did some multiplication here where we had like 1/2 multiplied by 12. And to do this, what we did was we said 12 is a whole number, which means it's the same as a fraction over 1. And then we multiply the tops, so this would be 1 times 12 will give us 12. And then we multiply the bottoms, 2 times 1 gives us 2. And when we have this fraction reduced into lowest terms, it's going to equal 6 wholes. Okay, so that makes sense, right? Half of 12 would be 6, right? That when we can't say that in our minds, that all just makes sense. So 50% of 12 is 0.5 multiplied by 12. Okay, so we can do this using fractions, or we can do this using decimals. I would say probably your best bet is going to be to use decimals, and to do that you need to take that percentage and you got to turn that into a decimal first, which is similar to the work that we've already been doing. And then if you take out your calculator, and I'll just put this up here, and you go 0.5, which is like 50%, multiplied by 12, hit your equal sign, you're going to get the same answer of 6. Okay? And there it is there. So that is really the procedure for today's math. They're going to be giving you a percentage, and they're going to be wanting you to find out the percent of that number. So if the number is 12, and I'm finding a percent of the number, my answer is going to be smaller than 12. Unless it's like 135% of 12, then the answer would be bigger. But if I'm finding a fraction of the amount of 12, I'm finding a piece of that, then my answer is going to be smaller, okay? So that is your task for today. If you need to use your calculator, you can do that. I encourage you to use mental math wherever possible because it's good for your math brain. And you guys have a chunk of work to do today. You're looking at numbers 1 through 28, plus number 35 and number 36. They're there for you in the numeration section of your OneNote binder. Okay, everybody, good luck. And I'll be posting those answers up at the end of the day. Okay, take care, everybody. Have a great one.